Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm going to open some of the packages that are piling up around here, and I'm watching for the mailman because I have a few dolls
Got another
today.
pile coming, huh?
I do. What? How many did we decide? I paid, I was going to see what that was. Let me go look. Okay, I went and looked. I paid $17.79 for the contents of this package plus shipping.
Including shipping?
Including shipping. Look what they paid in shipping. I'm telling you, shipping has gotten absolutely ridiculous, and you know that they didn't count on that. Could have been the size of the box, too, that they weren't counting on. Oh, God, it's so cute. I have a guinea pig. I love guinea pigs. I used to train, believe it or not, guinea pigs. If you look at my old videos, I've got some guinea pigs doing tricks and agility. So when I saw this for the AG, oh God, they're so cute. American Girl, that is. Oh, look at that. Looks like the little holder's down, but I could use a wire. And I little.
No, it has a clip on the bottle if you turn that clip the other way.
Yeah, I see. And a little Heidi hut. And what is this? Food bowl?
Yeah, the food goes in it. See, there's the food.
Oh, yes, I do. The little pellets. How cute is this? I actually had a little guinea pig that looked like this named Damsel. Put your doll to bed. Good. And I had 3 at the time. They did tricks. Look, this is supposed to look like shavings. They did tricks and agility. They were matey, Damsel, and Captain. Captain, matey, and Damsel. Oh, that is adorable. Oh, I so love that. Love that. All right, so let's see what's in here. I think some of this is personal, but I think some is doll. Well, it's always get some doll. Oh, did you order or did I?
I did.
Well, thank you. We have, our whole house used to be. There's no picture of it. I got to open the whole thing. I'm going to have to go around and I look a mess. Whole house used to be decorated in bicycles. We live on the Katy Trail. We used to ride about 3,000 miles a year. And I don't think these are, oh yeah, it's big enough. We have shower curtains that are bicycles. And we have them for the holidays also, for all the holidays. St. Patrick's Day, I love that, summertime. Very cool. We have our basic bicycle that says, what does it say?
I don't think it says anything. It's just.
Yeah, I think it says I want to ride my bike.
Not my.
And then we have, starting at the beginning, we have Valentine's, St. Patrick's Day, Easter, we have Halloween, we have a fall print for Thanksgiving, and then we have Santa Claus riding. So we change our shower curtains all the time. So, this is really cool. And we need 2 because we have a pretty large bathtub, just jacuzzi, so it goes around the corner. Very cool. I'm going to put these up when it's done, when I'm done here. Oh, that is cool. All right. I think this might be personal. Not sure there's anything doll in here either, but let's take a look. Always double check and triple check your bags. Sometimes they put little bitty things in separate bags. Okay, I want to be very careful because I ordered some fabric items and some clothing. Oh, yeah. Oh, these finally came. How stinking cute is this for a 6-inch miniature American Girl doll, Kirsten. Wait till you see. Oh, drum roll. Oh, how cute. Oh, that's not the one they had in the picture. That's a different print. The one they had in the picture was a red gingham. Well, that's disappointing. Okay, well, at least I got something that time. Last time I ordered it, nothing came. And I contacted this seller. They said, oh, well, we can send something random. I'm like, I don't want random. I want what I ordered. Oh, that's cute. These are for the 6-inch American Girl dolls. In fact, let's just put that on her real quick. That's pretty cute. It looks too narrow. I got one the other day out and it was too narrow. And these are for the, oh God, is it OB11 bodies? And they will fit, I say they'll fit, but the other one the other day didn't. Every other one that I have had, this is lace and her fingers are out. You know, she has the fingers that go out like that. So I'm doing it slow. Every other outfit has fit. But the one I got out the other day for Julie, we were getting ready to go somewhere. I was going to take her along. Did not fit. And this one, you know that it's a little thin. There it goes. I don't know, it's a little thin, but how cute. They are cute outfits. I'm going to work that over a little bit, I think. But isn't that cute? And these are like less than $2, or right at $2 a 3. They're cheap enough. So if your little girls, if you order any American Girl dolls that you want to change their clothes on, these are ideas. See, I ordered more because I thought they were going to be the color they said for the little Kristens, of which I had an idea on, but that's not going to work. That is not going to work. I had a Happy Meal idea. Okay, let's see what else we got. Oh, there's 2 more little outfits. Oh, these are cute. Little pink one, a little tea yellow. And this I don't think we're going to be shipping. Let's see. I think this is something else. Yeah, this is personals. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. We are live on Thursday nights at 6 o'clock. We would love it if you joined us. Maybe I'll get a picture when we get these up. Oh, I love this. Love, love, love this. Thank you very much. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Tell us what you think about a guinea pig. I'm going to call this one Damsel. Cute, cute, cute.